Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to do something a little bit different other than carbon fiber, which we love, but we got a really special project, and what this is going on is a 33 Ford pickup truck. And so what we've got is we've got the window trim moldings out of the side doors and the back window. And so customer is wanting it done in a wood grain pattern. So thought we'd shoot a quick little video and show you guys dipping some of these. Now these are custom made, they are fiberglass, they've pretty much redone everything, and then we smoothed everything out. They did more of the fitment work, we did the final finish work. So I think the customer is really going to like this after we get it finished. So kind of give you a little bit of background. We've done all the body work, we've done everything on it, primered it, sanded it, primered it, sanded it, probably about 3 or 4 times. So it's taken a lot to get to this point, but everything's smooth, everything looks good, everything's ready to go. So now that we've got that, we've got our brown base coat on top of this, and then we're going to be dipping it in this wood grain right here. So this is a really tight burlwood, has a lot of knots and everything like that. So definitely wanted to, I'm sure, give it more of an upgrade than what it already had from the factory back in the day. So this will be a really great upgrade, and it'll look really good once it's all finished. And of course, with it being fiberglass, you don't have to worry about it warping or anything like that, like what the original wood pieces would have done back in 1933. So you get all around a better looking and a better finish for the entire car. So what we've got here is the film is our SWG 18. You can check it out on the description below. It's on our website. You can check it out. The cool thing about this one is that it does have a slight gold backing on the back of it. So what's really cool about that is that with that gold backing that's on the back of this right here, this is the way that it's going to look just in normal light. But whenever the light hits it, it'll actually shine and with that gold hue. So that'll be really cool. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this. We've already got it cut and everything. We're going to take this. We're going to put it into the water and dip it. And I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. So here we go. So we've got our timer set for 1 minute, of course 80 to 90 degrees. And what we're gonna be doing on this is we're gonna spray it a little bit early, just because it is a little bit larger piece. And I'm also gonna be spraying it this way because I don't wanna go this way and have it to where my second pass, it just starts to void out the pattern. So I'm gonna spray it here in just a little bit, and then we're actually gonna be going this way with it, and then that way it keeps all the pattern real nice and tight, and I don't have to worry about the air moving anything or anything like that. All right, so we'll take this. All right, so we'll double check this. Everything looks nice and glassed out. Everything looks good. So we'll hold this. Now I'm gonna hold it at this angle about right here, so that way all the air can come into here and escape out of here, and I get a good overall look around the entire thing. So let's get this dipped. All right, looks like we got good coverage all the way around. Pull this back out. And that is a beautiful dip. The customer's definitely going to love it. We'll throw some clear on it and it'll look almost identical to the way that it does right here with all the gloss clear on it. Looks good. All right, so we're back. We've got all these all clear coated, ready to go. Customers definitely going to love them. They came out really beautiful, and especially with the way that these are curved and everything, you cannot tell it from the regular wood finish compared to the fiberglass pieces that they are. They turned out beautiful. They've got a beautiful shine to them. Of course, we put on the clear coat, and everything looks really good with it. Customers definitely going to love it. So hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I know we always do. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you about anything hydrographics related, or any questions on anything that we do in the video. Definitely let us know. Also, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips and tricks. I'm Brian from Liquid Concepts, and we're making hydrographics great again. See you guys next time.